Fei Hong Engineering Machinery Company Limited focuses on the research and development, production and export of reinforcement processing solution. The machine has been exported to more than 100 countries around the world. Fei Hong has a professional technology researching and development center, formed by engineers who have studied in the reinforcement processing industry and the field of precision machinery since 2000. Fei Hong has many independent intellectual property rights, such as utility model patents and technical invention patents. It has been certified as a high-tech enterprise, science and technology enterprise, and specialized and special new enterprise. We have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, EU-CE Product Quality Certification, German Mainland Certification, and other internationally renowned certifications. Fei Hong has successfully provided excellent reinforcement processing solutions for site of construction units in Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Russia, Eastern Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia, and achieved zero complaints. With 24-hour service hotline, engineers can provide timely service guarantee to customers to ensure the progress of the project. Fei Hong people always insist that what we provide is not only equipment, but also reasonable and applied solutions on reinforcement processing. We always adhere to the concept of practicality-oriented, virtue-oriented, and strive to create a century-old brand in the global steel bar processing industry. We will become the most respected supplier of reinforcement processing through our unremitting efforts. Welcome to visit Fei Hong and learn more.